Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. We're out here in the shop again, working on the 125M. I got it all back together now. I didn't get much filming in, like I usually don't, but yeah, so I got the head all fixed, re-tapped the hole, got the spark plug in, right down there. Also, I got the new studs put in the head. Got the exhaust back on. So yeah, that's all pretty awesome. I'm still waiting for the boot for the carb to come in the mail. But I got it to fire the other day. It needs a carb cleaning, I believe, because it wouldn't stay running. It ran off the start fluid, so I'm gonna take the carb off, tear her apart, and get cleaning it right now. So yeah, the 125M is almost ready. It's gonna be pretty awesome. Alrighty, boys and girls, we got the carburetor off here, and I'm about ready to take it apart. Apparently on these 125Ms, you gotta take the whole freaking intake off, because there's no possible way I could have possibly got to that other nut on the carb to get it off the way it's positioned on the frame right here. So anyways, here's the intake down here. 1984 125M. So yeah, I'm gonna get to cleaning this little bitch. And I think I still have the old headlight from my old 110. It's spray painted green. I'm gonna try and clean it up, put that on there. And I don't think I have a tail light, but there was one on eBay for like 10 bucks, I think. So I think I might grab that sucker up. I'll clean up this carb right now. Yeah, so it's no wonder why this thing really wasn't running right. I know those crazy Japs put some pretty crazy features in some of these Hondas sometimes, but I don't think corroded gas was one of them, so that's not too cool. So yeah, I'm gonna get all that cleaned out, hopefully. Might have to order a carb kit for this, by the looks of it. Doesn't look too healthy. See what I can do. I don't know. Ooh. Not cool. Well guys, I got everything soaking over here in this coffee can. Let's let that soak for a while. Got all the jets and stuff in there and the carb and stuff. Then I got the bowl soaking out over here. A little carb cleaner in that, because that's disgusting. So let's let that sit there and soak for a little while. Maybe I'll come in and put it back together tomorrow. Hey, mama. So, yeah, so I think I might go try and dig that headlight out quick before I go to work. Maybe I'll be able to clean that up and throw that on. So I'll go do that right now. What's up, boys and girls? Kevin back here in the shop again, and today we're working on the 125 carb, hopefully getting her finished. I don't know if this will be part of the previous video, tearing it apart or not. Probably will. I might as well make it one video. So I guess continuing here, this would be a week or so later, 2 weeks later. I got the carb kit right there. Got her all installed, new seals, all that. So she's good to go, just putting the rest of her back together. So hopefully the 125M will be rolling. And then I can work on the 200, get that thing rolling. And I don't know, I mean, I want to keep the 125M for a little bit. I've never had one. It's pretty sweet. I want to see if the electric start works. I got another part coming for it, the carb boot from the carb to the airbox. I put the new choke cable on it. I'll probably get a new handle for the brake. See if I can get that working. The old 200, I don't know. See if I can get her going. And I don't know, I'll probably sell it, I guess. I've had a couple 200s. I got the big red, which is pretty much almost the same thing, minus electric start and high-low range on this one. So yeah, I still gotta do bearings and stuff in the big red. All that's in that box over there. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this puppy back on there. Got the old 110 headlight thing to replace the broken 125 headlight thing. Yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of this paint off. Probably get some good sandpaper down at the store. Try and clean it up as best as I can. I got a lot of paint off. This is pretty much all green, and I've got this much off so far. So yeah, try and get the 125M going. Hopefully we'll get the first real start. I've had it to fire before, so hopefully we'll get it to run. Alright guys, well we got the carb and the tank and everything back on down here. Had a little gas leakage issue, but I think it was just this one gas line. Oh, there you go. This one gas line right here, the bottom one, so I put a clamp on it. So yeah, see if the old girl will start. Got the choke all working now, so might be a little easier. Might have to give her a boost, but see if I can get the 125M started. First time. A little bit of choke action here. Almost started. Sounds like it wants to. Maybe not in the camera, but I can. Whew, kind of hot with this bucket heater behind me. Holy shit. So I got it running here, guys, and it only wants to run on full choke. I got the idle screw in almost all the way, so I think I just need to do a little bit of adjusting here. Smokes a little bit, plus I put the choke in. Now it's running. Wow, she smoked. Have to do a little adjusting with the idle screw there, I think. Wow, it's smokier than a fucker in here. Open the doors up, but maybe I'll open the door up, see if I can take this puppy for a first ride here. Let's see. I think it needs a little bit of carb adjusting, for sure, because it doesn't want to take full throttle. But other than that, the old thing runs and drives pretty good. I only got it into first gear, but yeah, I'm going to go fucking warm up and come out and do a little carb adjusting. Apparently that kill switch doesn't work. Awesome.